Hey y'all, so we have a month left in summer, so I figured I would sit down and tell you guys everything that I have been loving this summer, from hair care to skincare to makeup. I'm gonna share it. It's not a lot, but these are just my go-to must-have, and they have just made my summer everything. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with hair because I feel like that's what most of y'all are here for, and if you saw this video about the Color Wow Extra Strength, then I just want you to know that everything that I used in that video was good to me, except for the Ouai Detox Shampoo. I still don't know how I feel about that, but we have the Color Wow Extra Strength. This was a game changer for me. Like, I never tried the original, but I really like this, especially, you know, like if I'm gonna wear my hair straight in the winter, this for sure, I know it's gonna keep my hair straight if I take care of it for at least 2 weeks. Like I said, everything from that wash day. So of course, K18 hair mask, K18 oil. If you haven't seen that video and you want more details about why I love these products so much, definitely check that out. It's in the description box down below. But we are on a length journey, okay? We are going to take care of our hair, but I'm not gonna get too much into that in this video. Let me just keep on going because there's a few more hair products. I tried this mousse from Faren, and first impression blew my mind. Second time I used it, just as good. I think this is really, really great. So much that like I have actually used it multiple times. So this was good. And one more item from Faren that has made it back onto the list would have to be this treatment mask. Just the way my hair felt reset and strengthened, and my hair overall just felt really, really good after that wash day. I definitely highly recommend this treatment mask. I haven't tried the transition, but let me know down below how you guys really like it. And last but not least, in the hair division, we have Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So of course, this is tried and true. I love it. Even though there was a formula change, it still really works great for my hair. I love applying it in the shower for wash and goes. And the reason I really wanted to include this in this video is because products that I didn't really like before, using this underneath it elevated it. And for that reason, this has now been inducted as a must-have, like holy grail for me. Like, I kind of feel like this is something that I need to keep in my stash, because if something is blah, it takes it up 3 notches and it really makes that product work for my hair. So this will be a facilitator for great wash and goes for the foreseeable future. So that is all of the hair care that I have been loving this summer. Next, we're gonna get into body care, I guess. So y'all, excuse the bottles. This is absolutely empty. This is absolutely empty as well. Sorry, I guess my lights are kind of bright, but this is Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash and the BioLipid Restoring Body Lotion. These work really great, to a point where like I think I have found the body washes I need. I have 3 body washes that I keep in rotation. As far as an everyday lotion, yo, my lights are so bright. I'm sorry, this is actually yellow, but you can barely tell that on camera. But this is my everyday go-to body lotion. Like, if I'm not really trying to layer something for fragrances or anything, like, this is it. And I feel like it can work any time of year. Like, I don't have to switch it up. So yeah, I will forever, well, I'm not gonna say forever, but I will continue to buy this one because I already have another one on hand. Now, this next product is also in the body care, I guess you could say, and that is the Necessaire Body Serum. I love this. It feels really great going on my skin, but to be completely honest, it's not really necessary. Like, there is no reason for me to continue using this other than I just really like it. But as far as it being necessary for my routine, no. But do I love it? Yes. I'm gonna finish this, but I probably won't repurchase it, but I really do like it. I think I just, you know, I like serums, whether it's for my hair or for my body. I just really like it, but I'm kind of at a point where I don't need to keep adding all these things into my routine if I don't necessarily feel like I need them. But if you feel like you need it, I highly recommend the body serum from Necessaire. Now, I know I have mentioned this before, but this is just so good to me. The Way body cream and the St. Bart's scent is out of this world to me. Like, it just, it smells so good. I love putting this on at night before bedtime. I love wearing it when I'm going out, just laying it with my fragrances. Like, I really, really, really love this body cream. So if you haven't tried it, get a sample size because you're gonna be addicted. I'm addicted. This will probably be like a fall fave, a forever fave, honestly. We have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I use this in a couple ways. Lately, when I come back from Pilates and I just kind of feel like a little grimy, I'll use like a toner to like clean my face just a little bit, and then I'll use this, and it is just so refreshing. I actually just got back from brunch and I came in and I just gave my face like a few sprays of this, and it's like cooling, relaxing, and it didn't make my face feel sweaty. It's just really good, and I'm actually almost out of this one, but I have another one in the travel size as well, but I feel like I might as well go ahead and get the big one because I just really, really like this. I don't know, summer is almost over. I might not need this in the winter or fall. We'll see, but I really do like it. I'm down to here. So if you saw my latest vlog that I posted, I said that I have been really enjoying the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner. It's another one where you can like feel it working. It left my skin very soft and very clean without drying my skin out. I have dry skin, especially like around my nose and my ears. So it's very easy for things to like dry me up, but this didn't. I used it like 3 days in a row and it didn't irritate my skin. I didn't really have any other toner with me, but I do have this in the travel size, and I think I might want to pick this up in a regular size. But yeah, I picked it up over the summer and I have been loving it. Okay, so I just purchased this Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 36. This has been my everyday kind of sunscreen, and what I love is like it's really creamy, almost like it feels like a moisturizer, and it doesn't leave a white cast, and I love that for me. It's not too expensive. I did pick this up at Sephora, but I really like this. So this next product is going to transition from the skincare into makeup, and that is the brand new Sealed Topicals Active Scar Primer. I've been trying this out for probably 3 weeks at this point, and I don't have any deep scars, which is like what this can be for. I'll probably do like a full video more about this, but just in general about why I've been loving it this summer is because I have been mixing it in with my Vanessa myricks serum skin tint. So this is like a primer, and of course this is a skin tint, and this is very lightweight, very like runny, right? And why I mix these together is because one, it gives such a great consistency. I apply it with a brush and I just smooth it all over. But this Topicals Active Scar Primer has actually done wonders for my dark marks underneath my eyes. Now, I scar super easy. I feel like anytime I have an acne bump or a pimple or anything, it's going to leave a scar. So although you can use this to spot treat, I like just applying it over the entirety of my face, because if I spot treat, I'm gonna end up treating everything. I really like the way this feels. It really feels like a true primer, which is why I use it to like transition into makeup. But yes, more on this later. I highly recommend it, especially if you have like really deep scars. It does take 4 to 8 weeks before you see a difference, but Topicals is one of those brands that I truly believe in, and so yeah. And baby, this yummy skin tint I have on right now, actually, it is like my go-to skin tint. I don't have any other skin tints. It's so lightweight. I love the color. It gives me a glow, and of course there's skincare in it, but I don't really care about that. I'm in the shade 12. Vanessa myricks can do no wrong, in my opinion. So I just have a couple of makeup. Actually, I think oh yeah, I have 2 more products for makeup. I am obsessed. I call this the Fenty pH balancing blush, but I don't think that's what it's called. The Fenty Matchsticks in Strawberry Pop, and like, I love this color. I have it on now. I love to wear it with my skin tint, and it just gives me just like a little natural flushed look. Like, it's not overpowering, it's not too much. I think it's great for the summer. And yeah, I love that it's like jelly. Let me see, like, look at that. And you can just blend it out, and you can put more. It's really buildable if you wanted to. You can use it on your lips. I've never tried it on my lips, but this I just think is the cutest little blush, and I've absolutely loved it, and the packaging just screams summer. And last but not least, I have this Oma Beauty Hydro Blast finishing powder. I don't wear powder every time that I put on makeup, but when I do, I really like this one. And let me tell you what I love about it. It feels cooling when you apply it to your skin. Like, I was really skeptical at first. I didn't know what was going on, but the first time I used this, I have it in brown sugar. I was like amazed. Oh, I was about to make a mess and spill that everywhere. But yeah, it's very finely milled. I don't know what is in it. The cooling effect alone was enough to be like, oh yeah, this is great for the summer. So especially like at night when I'm going out and I like powder my face. I don't really wear like heavy makeup during the day, but if I have been going somewhere where I felt like I needed to wear like a full face, this powder has definitely gotten me through on those couple occasions. And so last but not least, y'all, we have to talk about fragrance. And most of the fragrance that I have enjoyed this summer has been Kayali. I'm not gonna lie, but Vacation by Vacation is the perfect vacation scent. I have not done like a full detailed video on this. I picked this up at Ulta, and I absolutely love this. Let me tell you the notes really quick. We have petitgrain essence, coconut water, coconut milk, bergamot, solar musk, banana, pineapple, pool water, swimsuit lycra, and sea salt. And it literally smells like a vacation. I love this. I wear this anytime I'm going to the pool. I wear it. I had it on when I went to the beach. We took a day trip to the beach and I packed this because this just screams summer vibes, and I just really love it. If you haven't smelled it, please get your nose on it. If you love to travel and you are looking for that vacation scent, Vacation is it. It has everything that you need. You know what? I'm home for today. Let me just put a little spray on now, even though I have fragrance on for today. So I have really been into sweet this summer. I don't know why, but I just have. So I wasn't too sure how I felt about the Kayali Young Pistachio, but now I love it. It is a great everyday fragrance. It layers really well with Vacation, in case you didn't know that. But yeah, it has just become one of my go-tos when I'm just feeling sweet. I also have the Balinese coconut perfume oil from Nest. This I like to layer because one, it's a perfume oil, right? And two, it's coconut. I like coconut. I am a coconut girl, so it just really adds to it, right? So actually today I have on this with the Kayali, just because Kayali is sweet. This coconut, it worked in my mind, and I like the way that I smell. But I just really like this perfume oil. It screams holiday in my opinion. I have it in the travel size because I like to keep it in my purse. And the last two fragrances, which should be no surprise, but it is the wedding duo that Kayali dropped, Velvet and Silk Santal. And I didn't do a video on these because they were limited edition, and so I didn't want to wait too late to do it, and I ordered these kind of late, but I enjoyed them. If I find out that they are going to re-release them, then I'll probably do a video, but otherwise I don't want to get too much into them, except I like them. And people expected this one to be for men. Of course, Mona's husband like formulated it, and apparently I don't know if he wore it on their wedding day, but I like this one the most. I prefer this one over the Silk Santal. Now I like the Silk Santal, don't get me wrong, like both are gorgeous. I am into like sandalwood, so they work for me, but I really like the Velvet Santal. So that is it. That is everything that I have been absolutely loving this summer. I cannot believe the summer is almost over. We have basically 1 month until the fall gets here. So comment down below and let me know what you guys have been loving this summer, and if you are ready for fall, because I'm not quite there yet. I'm a fall baby, but I'm not quite ready for fall. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.